Hi everyone, I'm about to start making some juice and I just wanted to show you my citrus. This is the Oro Blanco. This is the Melo Gold. Obviously we have blood oranges, we have regular oranges, that's the Mexican lime, that's the Cara. This is a sour lemon. These are my pomelo slices I'm going to eat. Beautiful pink color. And I think this is going to make over 2 quarts of juice, but we'll find out. So just as I anticipated, I used half the citrus and I did make a quart, so the other citrus will make another quart of juice. And I recommend juicing the blood oranges first, and then followed by sour lemon, and then the other sweet lemon, because when you first initially juice the blood oranges, the pulp gets extremely deep red, and the other juices will slowly wash the pigment off into the juice. But if you juice the blood oranges last, you lose a lot of pigment. So that's my one tip.